Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very excited to have Abdul with me. 25 points towards his permanent residency. First, he cleared his NATI exam in Hindi in the very first attempt, and now you've got 8 each in PT. Abdul, congratulations. Very well done. Let's start off with your PT, right? You initially started your PT with us and then you stopped. You sorted out your NATI and now you have got 8 each in PT. What do you take out of your journey? What do you think is the most important thing when it comes to the PT exam?
First and foremost, I would like to thank the Almighty, then yourself, and the whole Language Academy team. So the effort they have put in me for clearing my journey, it's very beneficial. So in PT, it was like in the beginning, it's quite difficult for me, especially the speaking part.
Hmm.
Then later on, we worked on several strategies
Mhm.
that really worked for me.
Mhm. What do you think? There were a lot of ups and downs. There were times where you were not really sure what is going wrong. You were
Yeah,
doing each and everything correct, right?
yeah.
What do you think? What was the turning point in your journey which helped you to get this score?
In the beginning, as I said, like there were little problem with the speaking part. Then I could try to be very attentive to the lab every day.
Hmm.
Then the feedback from the trainers and the weekly mock test that really worked for me.
Hmm.
And the trainers giving the constructive feedback, that is the thing which really helped.
Hmm. So when it comes to the feedback, right? What is the difference? Because a lot of students do think that I'm practicing at home, I'm practicing in the lab. It's one and the same thing, right? What is the difference which feedback makes, and how important is the feedback?
One thing I will say, if you're practicing at home, you can say there's nobody to give you the exact feedback. They think like even they are making a mistake, they think they are doing correctly.
Hmm.
But when you come to lab, there are so many trainers.
Hmm.
They will give you exact feedback like where you are lacking and
Hmm.
where you need to improve.
Hmm.
So this is the thing I suggest to all the students over there.
So basically, you mean you come to know your weaknesses, right?
Yeah,
Because at home, when let's say if I'm writing an essay, right, I'll think I have done it right because according to my point of view, this is right. But what computer actually needs is something different, right? If you
yeah.
provide that particular thing to computer, things are going to be very easy for you. When it comes to the mock test, you have taken a lot of speaking mock tests. I remember, right? You
Yeah.
have done a lot of speaking mock tests, full mock tests as well. How important are the mock tests, Abdul?
Mock test makes you gives you the exact scenario as the exam situation, so it will be very crucial to get out the anxiety from yourself
Hmm.
to make you feel relaxed at the time of exam without being be
Hmm.
patient
Hmm.
during the exam.
That's right. So basically, you learn what you have to do. Doesn't matter what happens in the exam. In the exam, there can be uncertainties because whenever we do the mock test, we are a bit nervous as well.
Yeah,
But when we do same mock test again and again, that nervousness is no more there, and you're more confident. You know what you have to do, what is coming, and in the exam as well, the flow of the exam is exactly same as you'll have in the mock test, and that will give you a real view of what you have to do when something uncertain happens in the exam. Abdul, let's wrap it off. Any final piece of advice for students who are struggling, who are not really sure, or who are at that point like you were once that they don't know what they have to do, they have tried everything, nothing's working out?
guys, everything is achievable. Only the thing matters is practice hard and don't give up.
Mhm. So that's right, guys. Very important. You need to make sure that you practice properly and do not give up. It's very important. If you have started your journey, you started it with this thing in your mind that I have to finish it, and make sure you do not stop in the middle. Make sure you put 110% effort, but along with the effort, you should have the right direction and right strategies and feedback, and you will get 25 points towards your residency. Congratulations once again, Abdul.
Thank you.
Very well done. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Thanks, guys.